Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, friends, I will be showing you how to make a family favorite Bhindi and Keema salan, which you can eat with chapati, naan and boiled rice. For the ingredients, I have 300 grams of chopped bhindi, half kg chicken keema, 1 large onion chopped, 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 chopped tomatoes. For spices, I have 1 tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon cumin coriander powder, 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder and half tablespoon red chili flakes. Add 1/4 cup of oil into a pan. Add the bhindi. And fry until it's no longer sticky. Add 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice. The stickiness is gone. I'm now going to take it out. Add 1/4 of oil in a pan. Add the onions. And cook until light brown. Flame medium to high. Add ginger garlic paste and cook that for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add the chopped tomatoes. Mix well. After 3 minutes, add the chicken keema. Mix well. And mix well. Add a little bit of water so the spices don't burn. Cook for 5 minutes. Add the bhindi and mix well. Cook for another 5 minutes. I have dished out the delicious Bhindi and Keema salan. If you like my recipe, make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.